So we're taking the functions y, well, one's a function, one's not. Y equals x squared, and x is equal to y squared. And we have to see where those regions are, first of all, or where they are bounded. And we know that um, the y equals x squared looks like this: 0, 0, intersects at 1, 1, negative 1, 1. And we know that that is our first function. And our other is not a function. It is going to be here, here, and then it's going to intersect like this and like this. So here's our little bounded region, and it intersects at the point 1, 1. And we are rotating this to start with around the y-axis. And then we're going to go around x equals 1. So the y-axis to begin with, and here's our y-axis. So this region is going to